Okay guys, join me here in my running here at the Intramuros in front of the Manila Cathedral, guys, because I studied here at Intramuros, guys, in Mapua Institute of Technology. Look at my hat here, Mapua. I studied here, right? Yeah. Say hi, friends. Come on, we're going to run muna kami, guys. Rounds muna kami. Mga 12 rounds. Nasa fountain. Go. Liam. Liam, ha. Liam. Oh, not there na. Might bump your head. Might bump your head. Ito guys, dito ako nag-aral, guys, ng college. 5 years sa Mapua Institute of Technology, Intramuros Architecture. Kaya malapit ako dito. Ups, ups, ups. Ito guys, yan yung Manila Cathedral, guys. Itong Basilica to, guys. Manila Cathedral. Liam, pinapaganda palagi ito, guys, itong Basilica. June 15 guys, may kasalang bayan. Baka dito lang sa labas yun ng Manila Cathedral, kasi mahal dito sa Manila Cathedral eh. Ang kasal dito guys, ano, 30,000 eh. Naalala ko 30,000. Don't go there near it, it will kick you. Liam, yun guys yung van namin, no? Ayun guys yung van namin, yun, yan, white. Yung van namin. Okay. Yan guys, napansin nyo guys, maraming kabayo rito, mga karitela. This is the old Manila guys. Since the time of the Spaniards who occupied Manila, this is the walled city of Intramuros. Ito guys, walled city of Intramuros na to guys is a secluded area in Manila. During the time of the Spanish regime, for more than 300 years, they stayed here in Intramuros. It is a walled city. It's hard to penetrate this guys because it's surrounded by swamp. Ngayon guys, yung mga na-maintain to guys during the time of President Ferdinand Marcos Sr. He made this area a tourist spot, but the universities and offices of government are still here. Ngayon guys, ito yung mga kabayo dyan. Medyo mapanghilang dito guys. It smells like pee all over the place because of the horses who wee here on the roads, right? Yeah. So guys, ito, I'm teaching my son Liam to jog, exercise around the walled city of Intramuros. My family are also here. My daughters are there inside the KFC. Meron sila guys na bagong projects dito sa Intramuros yan. Okay. So pinapaganda talaga nila to guys. Kasi ano to guys historical landmark to in Manila City. Okay. The weather is fine here now, right guys?
Darong balot man
nagbibenta. Okay, may ice cream, may water, may ice cream. Yan guys. I just want to share with you my college experience here in the Mapua Institute of Technology, Intramuros, Manila. It was a beautiful experience guys that I studied here in Intramuros, the walled city. And guys, here guys, inside in Intramuros, we were not joining any government protest or student activists. We were focused on our studies. Here guys, we're focused on studying in college. Tsaka guys, in Mapua guys, we were lucky at that time because the tuition fee that I was paying, or my parents were paying, was only 1,300 or 1,400 pesos per semester. And then guys, first year, second year, my parents paid for my tuition. But on the third year of my college, I was selected among the design team to work with the development of the school, the Mapua Institute of Technology. So we were few only who helped the principal architect, who is the son of the owner, architect Oscar B. Mapua Jr. So we were working with him and some of the professors in architecture and some of the engineering engineering professors also. We were working for the development of the school. So we receive some honorarium like stipend and allowances. So the money that I got as a form of my service to the school is more than the amount of my tuition. So that time I was receiving 3,000 pesos for every work that I do, for example, for every semester. And then my tuition was 1,400. So basically I still have around 1,600 in my allowance. So I was able to really enjoy my college life, because I was working student. So until I graduated from college, 3rd year, 4th year, 5th year, for 3 years, I was like that. I was receiving stipend, allowances. So my tuition, some of it my parents paid, but some I paid it, and some my money got doubled because my parents paid for it and I received the stipend. So my money got doubled. So there were also, yeah, come here. There were also lots of guys, lots of friends, barkadas, peers, and lots of hanging out with lots of friends and parties and gigs. So we were really enjoying the time in college. Okay, Liam, come. Okay, yeah, guys. You know who is this, guys? He is King Charles, King of Spain, Charles IV.